Hey everyone. I have a few flavors of Lace in front of me. This is are basically the new flavors they just released for the competition, I think. So people basically submit the, the flavors that they wanna have on the Lace chips, and I think we can vote which one is the best, and then the winner gets some money or something. So some people have requested me to do some kind of a reaction test. So let's give it a shot. I'm gonna try first is the bacon mac and cheese. I'll start from the most common flavor. Well, at least in my opinion. So let's try. Hmm. Hmm. It's not too bad. It's kind of bland actually. Mm, I'm not feeling anything that's really similar to an actual bacon mac and cheese. But yeah, it's alright. I mean, it's not bad, but I was expecting more. So next one, let's try um the mango and salsa. It's wavy. So let's try. Oh, it's different. Hmm. It's actually kind of nice. It's a bit sweet. You can taste and you can smell a little bit of the mango flavor. Um, but yeah, it's actually kind of nice. I like it. And now we have the last two is the Wasabi Ginger and the Cappuccino. I think these two are quite interesting. Um, I leave the Cappuccino for the last because I think that's the weirdest flavor among the four. Let's try the Wasabi Ginger. I have high hopes for this because I like wasabi, but let's find out. Hmm. Hmm. Well, you can feel a little bit very um, tiny hint of wasabi and maybe a little bit of ginger, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. I guess I was expecting something stronger, but yeah, this is not really sufficient for me. It's alright, I guess. I'm not a big fan, I guess. But then again, I really love wasabi, so I had high expectations. Let's try the last one. The weirdest one is the cappuccino flavored. Hmm. Oh, it smells nice. Hmm. Hmm. It's actually not too bad. Um, it's kind of weird to think cappuccino for a flavor for chips, but when you actually taste it, it kind of works. I mean, um, it's not too strong. You can feel a little bit of the coffee flavoring, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not really impressed to be honest. I think among the four, I like the mango salsa the most. Um, but yeah, I mean to be honest, um, last year they had the waffle, chicken and waffle flavor. I think that's my favorite. But unfortunately, the flavor didn't win. I think last year the garlic bread won. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. It's kind of big, so maybe I'll just bring it to the office tomorrow and let my coworkers taste it. But yeah, I think for now, for me, wavy mango salsa is the winner. Thanks for watching. Bye.